Hi, I'm Matt. I'm a customer success manager here at Camelo. Camelo is a scheduling platform where your team can create and share schedules, track work hours, and communicate with each other. Thousands of teams in various industries and of different sizes rely on Camelo to schedule and manage their workforce. Add your team quickly and start scheduling them right away. Double-click any cell to add a shift. If you need to make changes to the schedule, it's so easy. Drag and drop to move shifts around. Click any shift to edit. Or use hotkeys to delete and copy shifts. Camelo displays necessary information for scheduling, such as overtime limits, leaves, and unavailability to help you plan better schedules and avoid scheduling someone who can't show up for work. Have a better look at your schedule with different views on Camelo. Assign shifts based on the number of employees in your business, time periods, job sites, and more. Once you've finished creating a work schedule, you can share it with your team. Click Publish to let your team know. Once the schedule is published, all relevant staff members are notified through phone notifications and emails. Camelo is available on all devices. Plan shifts on a bigger screen with the web app. View schedules, claim shifts, and swap shifts on the go with the smartphone app. Start using Camelo today to make scheduling easier for your team.